what's up? It's Sherry. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing for you guys, and the products that I'm going to be unboxing are from a company called Sparks. If you guys are not familiar with Sparks, they are a hair coloring company that sells a whole lot of the wild, funky hair colors that you guys see, from like blues, greens, reds, purples, pinks, silver, you name it. They have all the colors that you possibly would want for creating funky colored hairstyles. So the company was nice enough to reach out to me and send me a few of their products. So that is basically what I'm going to be sharing with you guys today. And yes, I'm very excited because I have not tried their products yet, but I've seen a bunch of reviews and most of them were pretty good. So let's just jump right in and I'll share with you guys what they sent me. So this is the box that they sent it to me in. Nice pink box. And then I have a lot of goodies in here. These are all hair dyes. Sparks, they mainly sell the hair colors. They also sell hair care products as well, but all in here are just different colored semi-permanent hair dyes. So they were also nice enough to let me choose all the colors that I wanted. So I actually just chose 7 colors, and let me just show you the first one that I have here. Before I get on with showing you the colors, I believe one of these costs about $9 on the website, like $8.99. I remember when I traveled to the US, I think I saw these in one of the stores and they were selling it for $12.99, but on their website it was $8.99, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. I will post their website on my description box so you can check them out as well. Let me jump in and grab the first one here. So one of the colors that I got was Pink Kiss. This one is just like a very light pastel pink. I am going to be trying this. Obviously, it's not going to really show up in my hair. I do plan on lightening my hair a lot lighter than this. I'm not sure when, but I'm going to do it because I really do want to play around with this. So this is the first one here. It's Pink Kiss. The second color that I chose was Wild Flamingo. And it's kind of like a really nice flamingo red. It's very bright. I've had red before. I'm not sure if I'm going to be doing this anytime soon, as I did have magenta color before and it just made my hair really dark after the fade out. But you know, after doing all these other colors, I may do this one last because I do like the brightness of that, but we'll see. The next one that I chose was Mermaid Blue. So as you guys saw in my last, I think 2 videos ago, I did a trial of the L'Oreal Colorista spray. I did blue and I wanted to try it out to see what blue actually looked like on me, but we'll see. I may try this one here. I don't know if I have to lighten this a lot lighter for this to show. I will do a test run, but I'm thinking I want to try this blue out because I've never tried blue in my hair, so I may try this one. This might be the first color that I'm going to use from this package here. You guys will find out. And the next one that I have over here is a Lala Lavender. This is Lala Lavender. It's pretty much what it is. It's a really light purple, like a very light pastel purple. The camera is showing off like kind of a pink shade, but it really is a lavender shade. And this is the kind of hair I wanted to achieve before. I don't ever think I had lavender hair. I just couldn't find the right product to mix it to get that lightness to that shade of my hair. And probably because my hair wasn't light enough. I mean, I've had all sorts of colors, but this is one color I definitely do want to try. And then I have another purple one, but this is a deeper purple. This is Purple Passion. I don't know, I may try this together with the lavender, kind of like an ombre or like a mix of something, or I may just do one. I don't know. I have a lot of colors to play around with, so we'll see what my moods will be after I try each one of these on its own. But it sounds like a pretty good idea to do both of these ones together because they just have the mix of the light purple and dark purple, and they like that look, like that ombre look. So we'll see. And then I have 2 more. This one here, I have the Star bright silver. Why does this camera lighting give off the shade of blue? I don't know, it looks blue from here, but it is like a dark gray. It's supposed to be like a dark gray. I was into this phase doing grays and silvers. I wanted to achieve this specific kind of silver, kind of gray, and I was able to do like different shades. I had like a really deep gray color, but I think this is gonna be one of the really dark ones, so I can't wait to try this out. Like, I'm really excited. It's been a while since I've colored my hair at like anything, so right now I don't know which one of these will actually adhere to this shade because it's not as light as it should be, but we'll try it out. Like I said, I'm going to do like a test strand with the blue to see if it'll actually show up my hair, because I don't want my hair to look green. If it turns out to be green, I may not use the blue. I probably would do the purple first, if anything, but we'll see. I'll do a few test strands, and guys will never know. My next video may be a hair coloring video. I know you guys like that, so I'm excited to try this out. The last color is not really a color, shade. Can't really see here, but it is a silver mist. With this one though, I do have to have my hair really light. I don't know when I'm gonna do it, but I am going to be lightening up my hair. Hopefully I can get my hair to platinum shade, because that's really what I want in order to achieve like these nice pastel colors. But yeah, that will be coming up sometime in the future. I will be doing that for you. I am going to be doing it myself because you know me, like I like to do my own hair and then just share my experience with you guys, and also because I like to save money. Speaking of saving money, getting a little bit off topic here, I have my nails. I did my nails, and I did this myself. These are actually acrylic nails that I tested out. Like, I got a kit and I tried doing it myself, because you know, getting your nails done could be like really expensive, especially if you want designs, because each nail is like $5 or more a design, and I was like, I don't want to spend that much on nails. So I decided to just try these nail kits out and see if I could achieve kind of like a professional looking manicure or like gel acrylic nails. And I'm not gonna show it up close because it looks pretty bad, but I did my nails. Just wanted to share that with you guys. I did my own nails. If you guys want to see a video on how I do my own acrylic nails, let me know. I will be posting it. I'm still doing a lot of practice on it because it is very lumpy, but you know me, I like to save money and try doing things on myself. So yeah, if you guys want to see a video on that, let me know. But that is pretty much all that I got from Sparks. I got all 7 of these. So again, I may try the blue and the purple first because my hair is probably light enough for these darker shades, but for the pastel ones I have to wait till I bleach it to a platinum shade. But first, I just want to say thank you to Sparks for sending all of these goodies to me. I cannot wait to try it out and play with color again. I feel like I just want to do like a mix of all of these in one, kind of like those rainbow unicorn hairstyles, but I don't know if I could pull it off. A lot of people say I can pull it off, but you know me, sometimes I just get kind of insecure. I'm like, oh, does it look good on me? Does it suit me? Did I just kind of ruin my hair? But you know what, I'm gonna try it. Like, I don't care, it's hair. If it doesn't look good, whatever, I'll throw a hat on, or I'll just leave it and just not care about what people say, because it's me and it's my own hair, and if I like it and I think it's good, then I'm gonna rock it. So the thing with Sparks that kind of differentiates its products between the competitor brands is that these ones are apparently long lasting. They last for about 8 to 11 weeks, and that, I say, is pretty damn long for semi-permanent hair colors, because most of the semi-permanent hair colors that I've tried out, I'm not going to name any brand names or anything like that, I don't want to call them out, but I've tried a few different brands, and one brand in particular, it lasted on my hair. As I was saying, I've tried other competitor brands out there, and their product literally lasted on my hair maybe 1 or 2 washes. and after the second wash I was like, where's my hair? It was pretty much just like a washout dye, but it was supposed to be semi-permanent, lasting like a week or two, but it didn't last long on my hair, and I was kind of disappointed with that. But I still continued using it because I wanted to try out the different colors that they had. But you know, it's good if you don't want the colors to last and you just want to play around with it and just have it on for maybe like a day or two. But if you're looking for more of a semi-permanent, maybe this is the way to go. I don't know, I will let you guys know once I try it out. So they started this company and started making their own products because they knew that there were other competitors whose products didn't last long, and they wanted something that really oxidizes into the hair and lasts of like so much longer, so you can get more out of the hair color. And I think that is what I want, because you know, there are some colors that you worked for achieving, and then all of a sudden it's gone and you weren't able to experience it and like feel it on yourself, because after a few washes it's just completely gone. But they say that these ones are supposed to last. But yeah, if I do try this out, I am going to be doing a review. I will definitely post a video of me applying it on my hair, and then if you guys have questions or anything about it, I will do a response to the hair dye, or in another video I will show you guys how the color faded out depending on like how the length of time that I've had it on my hair. But yes, I'm gonna be doing this. Like I said, it's a cross between the blue and the purple, like the darker purple, because my hair again is not light enough. But that is pretty much it. I just wanted to share that with you guys. I wanted to share with you guys the goodies that I got. I got this box a while ago and I've been meaning to share it with you guys, just never got the chance to. I don't know why, but yeah, that's what I wanted to share with you guys, because I love doing hair tutorials for you guys. You guys seem to like when I do them, and that is why I do what I do, because of you guys. So thank you so much. I really appreciate all your support here. And yeah, if you guys did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. And also, if you guys are new and you are not subscribed to my channel and you do like the contents that you are seeing here on my channel, please do hit that subscribe button. I also have a vlogging channel. It's fairly difficult for me to keep up with too, but I do want to try posting things on there. That in that channel, it is like I said, it is a vlogging channel, but it's kind of like a diary for me and my family. So as my family grows older, we can look back on our videos and just kind of reminisce about the experiences and travels that we've had. But also I wanted to share it with you guys as well. So if you guys want to check that out, I will post a link to it in my description box. Basically, my vlogging channel is called Fantastic 5 because there are 5 of us in my family. For those of you guys who don't know, I am a mother of 3 kids. And if you guys have questions about their ages or anything like that and want to know, hit me up some questions. Maybe I will answer them. That is about it for this video. I can't wait to do a next one because I may do the hair coloring. I don't know, I'm really excited. I feel like I want to do it in this video too, kind of like an unboxing and trial, but no, it's not going to happen today, unfortunately. We'll have to wait for another video on that one. But yes, like I said, that is about it. I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you. Bye.